teeth are white, correct? So isn't that the color we should paint them in our acrylic portrait? That's the question I'm going to be answering today. I'm working on a 16 by 20 acrylic portrait, and as you can see, this man here does not have white teeth. Now, I'm not saying that he's a coffee drinker, I'm not saying he's a smoker or he chews tobacco, but there's definite reasons why we don't paint teeth as white in a portrait. In fact, I'm going to zoom in here and show you a little test so you can see for yourself. I have a piece of white paper, just a little cutout piece, and as I hold it up next to the teeth, you can see the value is quite a bit darker. And I have my reference photo as well. You can kind of see the same thing. As I hold this up here, again putting the white on front of it, you can see how much darker that is. But again, on the portrait, I think it's a little easier to see right there. We're not painting them white because of the shadow cast from the mouth, the lips, the mustache. All of that causes the teeth to not look quite as white. And even if you had the teeth with light shining directly on them, if you held up a piece of whiteboard next to them, you'd still see that the teeth are not white, they're actually off-white. So for that reason, we do not paint teeth white in a portrait. However, when the light is shining on them at certain points, there will be highlights, and those highlights can be white. It's just something you want to really pay attention to as you're painting. So I hope this quick tip here helped you out. You can visit my website at realisticacrylic.com for more tutorials, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more here at this channel. Thanks a lot, God bless, and happy painting.